This is where we plug in our machine, both the power cord and the foot control into one plug. We have the on-off switch, the hand wheel that can be pulled out for bobbin winding, bobbin winder spindle. We have 2 spool pins. You only need 1 spool pin for most regular sewing. This is the handle for carrying and lifting your machine. This is the bobbin winding tension disc. Here's your first thread guide. Over here we have our take-up lever, the thread tension dial, and we have more thread guides down here. This is your needle. This is the foot. We have feed dogs underneath here that pull your fabric along, and your needle plate that has lines on it so that you can sew an even distance from the edge of your fabric. Over here we have the presser foot lifter. Put it down like this, lift it up like this, and you can lift it a little extra high for those thick fabrics. This is a handy lever for quickly changing the feet on your machine. Push that like that, and your foot comes right off. To put it back on, line the foot underneath the holder, lower your presser lever, and it goes right back on. This is your stitch selector dial, stitch length dial. Here you have a chart of the different stitches that you can do. This is your reverse lever, so you can sew in reverse to seal the beginning and ending of your seams. Over here, this comes off, and now you can hem your pants in your jeans. This is how we access the bobbin case. Pull it out like this, and you can put your bobbin in right in there. I have a threading video on that. There's a handy thread cutter right here on the back of the presser bar. That way you don't always have to search for your scissors. You could just lift up your presser foot, take your thread, pull it down like that, and you've cut your thread. For more information, check out some of these other videos. And if you found this video to be helpful, give us a like. Also, if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.